Good morning, everyone. Crackosy here. I hope you're all well in whatever part of the world you're watching this video. Obviously, I've tried my heart out to get the video working on QuickTime Player, but it would appear that I've been hacked again, and it won't work. I gave up last night. I did a video last night as promised, and it went completely ass up. It was so bad, the volume, that you just can't believe that there's something that badly wrong with it, you know what I mean? And I'm using this one and there's nothing wrong with it. So obviously someone's done something to it. I don't know what it is, but I can't use it. Which is a shame because I can't show any pages that I would like to show you. This is more an emergency broadcast than anything else as well, folks, because of the fact that, sorry, that's my dog, because of the fact that the share markets this week, obviously because of what's happened with Hillary, the share market this week is going to, in my opinion, it's going to drop, and drop quite considerably. The reason for that is because Hillary is the Wall Street darling, isn't she? And let's be honest, after this weekend, I don't think she's anybody's darling. I don't want to go too much into the politics of it, but really, you can, on one hand, you can say, yeah, it was coming. On the other hand, you can say, the conspiracy theorists and everybody would probably be saying, well, maybe there's a bit more to it. Have you noticed that since they did that, there's been no mention at all about the economy, the wars, including Syria? Not one thing about anything to do with Syria anywhere at all. Nothing. You'd be hard pressed to find anything. The only place you really find it is on Australian News Live and Sputnik News and RT News. But even then, it's not much. So we've gone from, sorry, gone from blasting them out on YouTube with Syria, etc. One day we were going to World War III, the next day nothing. Sorry folks, got a frog in my throat. So, where does that leave us then? Well, the truth is that we're in probably now a worse state than we were before. Why? Because these people are sociopaths. They don't lose control for nothing. Or they don't lose control. They lose control of their senses and probably their morals, but they don't like losing control of the unit. I'll term it as a unit. Currently, they're this close from implementing their strategy for the world. So, and because of people like us on the alternative news, constantly bringing things up, WikiLeaks especially, Anonymous, just ground them down to the point where the truth has to come out eventually. And did it not? Now, I always said that Bitcoin will take off and gold and silver will take off. Now, I would hope that you watch this today and you exercise some judgment and continue to watch the stock market over today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and be prepared. Fill your car. That's the first thing. Make sure you have your tank full of juice all the time from now on. If you've got a generator at home, make sure that you have several jerry cans to last you. Have you got jerry cans for your car? Now that's an interesting point. You'd be surprised how many people tell me, yeah, I'm filling up my car all the time, making sure. Have you got jerry cans? No. Well, a tank of juice is going to last you a week. And then after that, you go on nowhere. A jerry can will probably get you just a little bit extra that's required. Your food. Have you been through your food lately and checked it? Is there mice in it? Cockroaches, etc. Have you checked it lately? Clothes, prepping items. By that I mean bug out bag. Also, I have a bug out bag that I carry with me at all times. And basically that's a man bag. It's a big billabong, the old style bum bags, but it's very important that you actually keep that with you at all times. And in that you'll have a torch, a small survival meal, a utility knife, some medications that you're taking, and with that comes some water. Just the basics, folks, just to keep you going in case you need it. A small first aid kit in it, like mine has. You need these things to be able to survive if we go off grid real quick. You might be in your car and you look down and you go, oh, sugar. I've got a quarter of a tank and I've got a half a tank to get home. I need a half tank to get home. What are you going to do then? And everything's sharp. I did want to show you some interesting stuff that Strop and I were talking about yesterday, but obviously I can't do it with this, and that's disappointing. The skeptical side part of me and conspiracy side of me thinks that that's why this is done. So I can't use QuickTime Player to show you everything that I want to show you. I can actually go on it now while I'm talking to you and mention the things that I want to mention. Obviously, Hillary's a stuck pig. By that I mean she's bleeding everywhere. She's dying. How they turn this around is anybody's guess. Anybody's guess. Earthquakes, yes, major earthquakes in Italy. It's an interesting to know. What's BP Earthwatch's take on it? Sorry, folks. Got a tickle. He's got quite a good take on it. Excuse me. you're living in America, take heed of what's going on at the moment. Obama's someone that I wouldn't trust as far as I could throw him. And by that I mean he seems like a pretty devious sort of character to me. Goes with the bloody being a politician, I guess. They're all bloody devious shitbags if you're asking me. Watch this space, you know. Which way is he going to go? War with Russia, false flag, arrest Trump, you know, martial law. This guy is a piece of work, eh? So I'd be very, very dubious about if I was living in America at the moment as to which way he's going to go. He's got 9 lives, that bloke. That's all I can say. There's several other things that are pressing. Mainly to do with the atmosphere at the moment. If you're taking note of the sky at the moment in Australia, I would ask you to take a look at 2 things. One, southwest, where the sun's going down at the moment. 2, have a look at the Southern Cross. We all grew up with it. If you're living in Australia and New Zealand, have a look at it. Usually like that, and at the moment it's like that. Think I'm joking? Go and have a look tonight in the sky. Myself and a few other people have mentioned it. Between ourselves, and I'm just thinking that everyone's noticed it, but it is way out. You couldn't believe how far it's out. I think we're about 20 plus degrees west. The other thing was, I was speaking to Stroke recently, the handle on the pot is which side. always on the right side. Now, I swear to God, recently, it was on the left. How can it be on the left? It's always been on the right. But there was many months there where it was on the left like that. So what's happened is we've gone opposite, so we're looking at it back that way. Now we must have been miles out of position, and that was during the summer when I was telling everyone that the sun wasn't in the right spot. Oddly, I'm looking at the sun at the moment. If I've got to be honest, I think it's way too far southwest. Way too far for this time of year. And I mean, down south. It's way too far south. The other thing is, if you're in Australia and New Zealand, what are your crops doing at the moment? Because mine are currently at least 4 weeks to 5 weeks out from where they should be for this time of year. But, and here's the other but, my broccoli is growing beautifully, but the others haven't budded yet. My fruit trees haven't budded properly. It's just been really weird. Like I've had 3 heads of broccoli so far and nothing else. Some beans, some snow peas, but nothing else. So, am I the only one experiencing this? Surely not. Let's hear some feedback from everybody in Australia and New Zealand. Let me know what's going on. And if you have, show me some videos. And as regards to videos, please don't send me pictures. Pictures can be got from anywhere. I will not show pictures on, I'll look at them, but I won't put them up on YouTube. If you give me a video stating day, date, time, etc., month, where you are, that might help. Then yeah, I might put them up. But don't just send me videos with just nothing. Just a video. I can't put that up, guys. I want to help. We're all here to other. So give me a video that I can help people with. And that means talking, have some gravitas in it, you know. What are you doing? What do you think? You know, etc., etc. Even if you can't string two words together, it's better than not stringing any. So please do that for me, yeah? As regards to prepping in Australia at the moment, as I said, and as Strop and I have talked to you guys many times, we believe that the market is going to crash first. Stocks and bonds. Bonds have already started crashing, by the way, which is really bad. And then the derivative market's going to kick in. Now, I heard an analogy the other day which I thought was fantastic from a financial bloke. Imagine that you're in the world's biggest football stadium and they've shut off every single exit except the one exit at one end of the ground, and everyone is at the southern end of the ground, and everyone's facing north. He said, what will happen is one or two people will turn around and walk through the southern exit, and then just like sheep, everyone's going to try to get through the southern exit. What that means is that when this happens, folks, this is going to be Armageddon. Absolutely Armageddon. And don't get me wrong, I'm no financial expert. I want to state that right now I'm a financial hack. I'm not a financial expert. I've watched the financial stuff for many years. I kind of know what I'm talking about, but I am no way qualified to give advice to anyone in that regard. So please, I'll give you what I think will happen. If you ask me, which I did to one person the other day, but I mentioned to them that I am not a financial expert. What's the best thing that I own at the moment? If you've got money in the bank, land. Simple as that. Out in the bush somewhere. What's the next best thing that I own? Silver. Don't buy gold. Simple as that. Silver is the poor man's gold. Remember that. Gold is for people that want it, and they will do anything to have it. Silver, poor man's gold. And I think we get better return on your dollar or your money for silver anyway in the long run. In regards to your prepping, I spoke to a gentleman yesterday on the phone. I'm not going to mention his name. He knows who he is in Canberra. And his big worry is as regards to trying to build communities. And in Australia, we're still suffering from, she'll be right, mate. You know, what happens over there ain't going to affect us here, mate. You're a wanker. Well, listen, they're wankers, we're not. We're actually enlightened people who actually have an idea of what the hell we're doing. So, leave Larry No Mates and Loretta Luckless to whatever they want to do. You sort yourself out and try and build a community. I've said this before, I will send the emails out again. I need someone in each state or territory to take control and to start getting, it's hard, look, it's hard. You know, you've got to meet people you don't know, and they might be complete whack jobs. That's going to happen, isn't it? That's part of life. You go to dinner and sit next to a whack job. You know what I mean? But unfortunately, that's how it is, folks. I can't, you can differentiate between the two, but in this scenario, the enlightened people are the ones that are going to meet up, join up, and build a community together. Doesn't mean you have to live in each other's pockets. That's my motto. Moving on from that, here in Perth, a lovely lady, I won't mention the name on thing I'll send out an email today, has graciously put up her house so that Western Australia community can have a meet on this Saturday or Sunday. That's this Saturday or Sunday coming, not 3 weeks. Not if you can't meet up, then you're going to miss this one because we are going to have this one. She's already put it up. She's going to put on cakes and stuff, and the ladies that are coming, if you want to bring some stuff to eat, just, to help out, that'd be nice. But I will send out the email today to all of you. And when I get the responses back as who's going, then I will send you the address and everything else, if that's okay with this lady. Alright? Right. I think I've rabbited on for long enough. Remember that in your heart, if you listen to your heart and to your gut instinct, intuition, it usually leads you the right way. So my point is, just listen to what may be being said to you at the moment from whomever. I'm a spiritual person, but I don't like to push that on anyone, but it seems to me that that's the way to go. One more thing that I mentioned this to the gentleman yesterday when we were talking. One more thing. As regards to prepping, if you've ever played footy in life, this includes women. You might have heard this saying, the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid. Very easy to remember. Keep it simple, stupid. KISS. What's the point in packing a 120 kilo bag if you weigh 60 kilos? Take your time, get the bag right. The bag is your core. fails, you will still be able to pick up the bag and walk with it. But if you're a grown man, a 65 or 75 litre backpack, full bug out bag, is a heavy item. So what's the point in packing 4 65 litre backpacks if there's you, your wife, and 2 kids? That's going to be pretty bloody stupid. You will find things on the way, but you need to have the core ingredients to keep you going for a week in a bug out bag. For women, that's a bit more trickier, obviously, to have the right items. They need extra items, obviously, but I'm sure you can sort it out. Okay? On that note, we'll say the Lord's Prayer and hope for divine intervention for all of us, spiritual intervention. Ask for the light. Come down, shine on your face, enlighten everybody. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. All right, folks, blessings to all. Look after yourselves. I'll post another one tomorrow. Tomorrow will be more about updates and a little bit more about prepping. And I'm sorry about the other video. God bless.